The Freeze-Miser valve shield is a highly efficient device designed to protect outdoor faucets from freezing by activating automatically when water temperatures drop below 37 degrees Fahrenheit. This product offers superior winter protection, serving as a reliable alternative to traditional faucet covers or manual drip methods for year-round peace of mind. Constructed with durable materials like brass, stainless steel, and cold impact-resistant polypropylene, it is engineered to withstand extreme conditions and comes with a warranty against defects. Installation is simple and quick, requiring only hand tightening to your outdoor faucet, which makes it user-friendly and convenient for all homeowners. The Freeze-Miser is water-saving and made in the United States, ensuring both environmental responsibility and high-quality manufacturing standards. With a 2-year limited warranty, this product provides dependable protection and is proudly engineered by Blue Penguin, making it a trustworthy choice for preventing frozen pipes.